What is going on, everyone? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's go ahead and see what we have on our charts here. See what we got cooking. Looks like we had a little bit of a pump overnight. Let's check this out. See what we have. All right, on our 12-minute here, looks like we are coming down just a bit right before 2 minutes to the open. Let's see on our bigger time frames if we're coming up against any resistance. Looks like we're in that channel from yesterday, top of that channel. But other than that, I don't really see any resistance until we get to about 550 and then 600. So that could be something to keep our eye on. Right now, I'm not looking at any, well, actually, no, we're not in that channel. Right now, I'm not looking at any positions right off the open. But we are going to see if we have any type of a channel here. See if we have something cooking. Let's see if we have something here. This looks very probable. Okay. We could be looking at something like this for now. It looks like we may be topping out just a bit, though. Keep an eye on this range today, or this trend. Other than that, we're looking at resistance here in the 540s, possibly. We had some sellers in this area, and then we have some resistance up here at 600. 600 could be another area that we have to keep our eye on. Let's clean up our chart just a bit and see what we've got here. This is our that was our chop session from yesterday. There was a lot of barcoding in here. Let's see where I move this up here. Have this line here just ready to mark out where we want to take our trades from. And I think we're ready for our session, guys. I think we're ready for our session, if I don't say so myself. Okay, we've got our 12-minute here on the left. 12-minute looking rather weak right now at this minute. We could be overbought as well. That's what it's kind of looking like. Maybe we get a retracement down here to the VWAP or possibly the bottom of the channel. And the market is now officially open, guys. So make sure you get those positions ready. All right, so we're going to take some trades today. We're going to make some good trades today, guys. We're going to make some good trades today for sure. Make some good trades. All right, let's see what we got. So we got this big pump off the open. Very nice, very nice. A little unexpected, but we could be facing some resistance here at the top of the channel. Good morning, Crown. Let's see what we've got. Yeah, I had this line here because I was using that to take trades. I'm just going to leave it here. Not that it means anything. These red lines mean nothing. It means nothing to me. It's just a line that I have as a visual aid. Crown, do you like the new layout, brother? I have a layout here so you guys can keep track of our P&L. I know a lot of people like to see that, so I don't have to keep repeating myself. Well, that's a P&L for, that would be the P&L for FTT. Trying to sound a little different. All right, so what do we got? Let's see, right now it could be still moving strong. We're still moving strong on the 1 minute on the right hand side here. I have it on the 1 minute just because it is the open. There's a lot of things that go on in the open, but I'll scale that back down to the 3 minute as soon as we're make a base or find something here. Then we'll slow things down a bit. Right now it looks like volume is coming along with this move. Volume is there. Thinking we might move up a little bit down to the top of this channel here, and then we'll find some maybe resistance. All right, that's cool, Crown. Thank you for that. I don't know what else to fill that gap with. I think the visual might be a little bit better. Maybe I'll put something in there later on, or maybe I'll put some other stuff in here, maybe some important information. Or maybe I'll have like a running ticker showing like all the all the major futures, like, you know, maybe ES and YM and gold and oil. Maybe I'll have something like that. Pretty cool idea. Maybe we'll have also like a maybe like a news, maybe like a little news feed. Be pretty cool. Something. Come up with something cool. Keep people entertained. Yeah, some people like the transparency. Small watch list with an indicator for if they are making moves. Yeah, true. That's a good idea. Maybe a watch list. It could be a good idea to have on the screen. I think today we're gonna implement the one of these habits that I was doing a couple of weeks ago that really worked well for me is that for every trade I took, I have to do 20 to 50 push-ups. Now I'm not trying to take too many trades, so every trade I take, I'm going to do 50 push-ups here. You guys feel free to do it as well if you feel like you need the exercise, but I discipline myself that way to not over trade. Might have to start doing that again today. Good morning, good morning, good morning to everybody here. If anybody cares to hear about this, I trade 20 accounts with FTT right now, Fast Track Trading, and they've been the center of attention the last few days because of a lot of controversy they're having over there, some financial problems or issues they're having with their payouts. So I'm hoping that we could trade these accounts for another week or so, get them to pay out and request our first payout ever with FTT. But last night they did have an AMA, Ask Me Anything session, and they, I don't know if I want to say they grilled Scott, the CEO, with questions, but you definitely got to hear from him directly what the company is thinking about doing and what their plans are for the future and where they currently sit. His reasoning for doing what he did, which is I don't agree with it, which is retroactively punishing a lot of traders who had their payouts approved, was not good in my opinion. He said that he didn't want to make any exceptions for one person because then everybody else would ask for exceptions. I don't think that was the right answer as a CEO. Even if it takes you a month to weed out the bad actors and keep the people who actually were doing the right thing, pay them. I think that's only fair. There were some people who legitimately were trading and not flipping, but they had maybe 1 or 2 days that didn't meet the threshold that they're asking for now to have the day count as a trading day. So, that could have been manually, screened, but unfortunately the company is not really doing that. They just think it's better just a one fell swoop, save over $10 million and not paying people out. They are promising those traders a 10% bonus though if they do make it to payout again. So we'll see about that. We'll see how people feel about it. They don't lose the money. That money gets added to their P&L anyway. So they still have that money in the event that they want to cash it out later, or if they ever go to live. So that money will be there for them. So let's see what happens there. very interesting what's going on in the prop space. Got a couple other companies too changing their rules this week. Apex is changing their rules. They have a kind of new laundry list of things you got to watch out for. And you've got Traderify yesterday also releasing some new rules, but they are giving traders 30 days heads up, 30 days notice before those rules do go into effect. Last night I did apply to my funded futures, Take Profit Trader, and to Traderify to become an affiliate, so I can give you guys a discount code for any of those prop firms if you decide to go that route. Right now I am not giving out any affiliate codes for fast track trading, just because I don't want to put anybody in that position, you know, at the moment. You know, maybe the company will clean up their act, but I don't know, it's tough to tell right now. So we are definitely just sticking with our own live capital on Webull, and then we are trading with the 20 we have with FTT right now. And then you guys have told me that I should check out Top Step next, so I think we'll be getting some Top Step accounts as soon as we get these FTT accounts to pay out, and we'll try our luck there. Maybe we'll knock Rafa out of the first place position. Maybe with our trading, hopefully not with the trading we've been doing this week, but you know, we got to bring our A game. All right, so we're getting a little bit here. It looks here we could be building a little bit of a bull flag on the 1 minute. The 12 minute looks still bullish as well. Not sure if the 1 minute here is going to give us all the info we're looking for. The 3 minutes still kind of building. This could be a bull flag, but there are sellers there at that 570-ish. Let's see, we made it up to 574, 575. We made it up to that area. And right here, we'll be patient and we'll just keep an eye out on things and see what's going on. We are looking to double our Webull account today, and we are looking to make anywhere between $250 to $800 on our fast track trading accounts, over 20 accounts there. So we'll be copy trading those, and hopefully we get some very nice entries. We'll be very patient today because we will have to owe 50 push-ups for every trade we take. Have to find out what his time is for trading. He is running on the Asia Euro time. I think they said he's out of Israel. So Rafa's out of Israel, right? So he's probably he might be trading an overnight session. That would make a lot of sense because the overnight has been really clean the last few months. It seems like the New York sessions have been complete garbage. And so we're getting that sell pressure here at the 70s. Possibly interested in taking a short here if this doesn't correct. We'll see in just a moment. Looks like sellers are coming in with some pretty heavy pressure. 68, 50. May have to send it at 58. We'll see. Hopefully we get up to 58. I'd like to take a possible short here. We'll see. This next trade will cost us 50 push-ups, so we will have to keep that in mind. Take the best trades only. Still looking like we're pushing up a bit. See what kind of move we get here. These wicks. Could still be a very strong bull flag here. Okay, we got that little push down from the 60. Buyers are still fighting back, trying to get to the top of that range. 570 now is looking like resistance. This could be a very cheap short. Let's see what happens here. Still a lot of strength in this move. CVD is also following this move up. I'm thinking this will still be very strong. Could possibly break out now. Looks like it wants to get up to 600. 602 to be exact. Strong moves this morning, guys. Very strong moves. Maybe on the back of all of that Tesla bullishness. Let's see what Tesla's doing this morning. Tesla's up another 1.3%. Nvidia's up 1.2. It seems like the market is following suit. Tesla's up actually up 1.6. Yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna show the tickers. I'm gonna work on our layout screen here. Show some of the best tickers out there and some of the major futures. That'll be pretty cool. 600 is not too far, about 15 points away from 600. 602.50 is where we have a high right now. Is where the high is. It looks like it wants to be taken out. This move is very strong, followed by definite CVD action on the way up, and we also have the VWAP, which is following very strongly. Let's get the moving averages here, see where they are. How strong is it bouncing off moving averages? Whenever it starts bouncing off the 8, you know you got a strong move on your hands. It's floating right now above the 8. Very much so. Right now we're made it up to 600, 599, 598. Could be tapping at 602 any moment now. We could have another trend day on our hands if this thing just goes wild. This could be part 2, continuation of what I was talking about yesterday, of trapping those shorts from the other day, where we had that major sell-off. Thank you guys for the early morning likes. I appreciate you very much. So the first trade we could have had today here, looking in retrospect now, is here, this bull flag that we formed. We got the signs here that we had some seller absorption right in here, bouncing off the 8, and then it took off like a rocket. That move could have earned us a few shekels. Let's see. Yeah, over 50 points already. That's a heck of a move, guys. You know, at the time when you're looking at this, you're like, oh, we're at the top of the range. This is a risky buy. But sometimes you buy high and sell higher. That's what you have to do sometimes. When the move has left you, you either can close up your computer and head out for the day, or you can look for opportunities like this. These bounces off the 8 with seller absorption, moves to the upside. Still moving very strong. A lot of buying pressure coming in this morning. We've taken out the liquidity at the 600. Crown says 20 pull-ups for every bad trade or break even. Yeah, you know what? I got to get that perfect pull-up bar. I used to have a whole bunch of those perfect pull-up bars, and I got rid of them all. Got to get me a perfect pull-up to have in here as well. So that's a good idea. Not for every trade, I would say, but for every losing trade, I'm going to do 50 push-ups. That makes more sense. Every losing trade, I have to do 50 push-ups. And yeah, I want to get the perfect pull-up because that way I could do maybe 20 pull-ups like you're saying. And I also do 50 squats too when I feel like I've done too much upper body. I also do 50 squats to pay for a bad trade. Those are great ideas. Get a full body workout in here, guys, while you're trading. I have been talking about getting that. I have a standing desk, but I don't have a treadmill. Since I'm here sometimes, 6 hours, walking even at slow pace for 6 hours, you're going to get ripped, so we could be looking to multitask here and trade, make money, entertain, and also get in shape because I could use it. This could be a little quick short here. Yeah, it helps you regulate your emotions as well. 15-minute imbalances. Yeah, there's a bunch of imbalances in here for sure. So I'm thinking a short here could be a very smart move. But, we have to give it a minute to just settle in and see what it wants to do. For some reason, we're getting our resistance here at 620. This could be an opportunity to take a quick little short. That's what I'm thinking. All right, let's see if we were right about the quick little short or if we're just going to get our face ripped off first thing in the morning. At least to the 8. We might have to take profits a little early if we get down to the 8. That was short-lived. Oh my lord. There go the first 50 push-ups of the day. We were in profits. Thought it was too close for us to break even, but I owe you guys 50 push-ups, so here we go. Okay, guys, and we're back. 50 push-ups stronger. Keeping track of that. One early bird special trade already in. Looks like we could probably be building a little bit of a top now. Sometimes you got to send in one of those pawns to get eaten up, and then you wait for the real move, and then you take the position. You take that trade with a bigger position. Looks like this could possibly be a little toppy here. We'll see. Market has been strong all morning. We'll wait for a little bit more confirmation. This move is still showing some signs of strength. I haven't tapped the 8 in a while. On a 3-minute, we're flying above the 8. Very strong move here. Could get one of those days. We could be getting one of those days, guys. So I'm moving out to the 3-minute. Things have kind of settled down. Let's see what we're cooking with. Right now we've had this rocket ship of a morning all the way up to 620. Floating around there now. Zooming out to our larger time frames, we're looking at next possible target here could be 680. 680 is in the cards for today. After that, we could be looking at either a pivot point or possibly 987. 987's up there too. I think that's a high from a previous week, a couple weeks ago. Maybe hit 21,000. Yeah, short incoming, possibly. But we just want to wait for a little bit more confirmation because bulls are strong this morning. But they will need a little bit of a breather. You can't go up in a straight line all morning. It may stop over for a breather and then come back down. And then go back up, sorry. Okay. Currently, right now, we are massively oversold on the 3-minute. Still no signs of relief for the bears yet. Bears are getting hammered this morning. Still making higher highs. Let's take a look at at Nvidia. Nvidia is still very strong here, looking like a rocket ship. Tesla had a quick retracement here, just a couple points. Now it's looking like it wants to head to 270 and make that its next target. Is any other outliers today? Anything looking especially good? Let's see, Bitcoin's flat. ES is up 0.6. Looks like Nasdaq's leading the way here. The YM is up about a quarter. VIX is down 3%. Bonds are down. All bonds are down right now, in case you guys were wondering. Gold is slightly down 0.33. Silver is down almost 0.5%. XRP staying put at 52 cents, where it's been at for the last 3 years, in case you guys were wondering. Let's see what oil is doing. Oil is up 1.5, and I keep talking about how I may want to start looking at oil trades in the future because oil tends to move in a very nice way. Oil is just running right now. Oil tends to go in these runs, guys. These sustained runs. Very nice. I saw gas under $3 the other day. I don't know if that's gonna last too long. Oil's creeping back up. One micro at 621 short. Yikes! I wish I would have saw that message sooner. Yeah, Crown. Sorry, buddy, but I didn't see anything. I didn't see anything here just confirming the short yet. I'm keeping my eye on it. Don't believe me. I'm keeping my eye on a possible short because if we do get a short, it could be pretty juicy. And then as soon as we hit that short, we got to immediately look for maybe a re-entry long if this market decides to continue higher today. From the open, guys, from the open, we have gone in one direct line up, 155, 150, 160 points almost. So congratulations to anyone who had a long position at the open. I didn't see anything that jumped out at me at the open. I didn't see anything that was particularly strong, let's say. Let's see, this was at 7, bounced off this at 7. You could have made an argument for going long because of that. Let's see, 9:30. Yeah, look, it looks like we were trading at 9:12. We were trading above the point of control, which made it bullish. Looks like we got past all this resistance, made it bullish. You could have made an argument for taking this up to the top of the range. I was working on my OBS settings this morning, but come Monday, guys, we're gonna send it 1 micro at the open in whatever direction we think it's gonna go in. Obviously, we're not gonna YOLO it. We're just gonna use our analysis, and we're gonna check. We're gonna see our win to loss percentage after a month of doing that, after 30 days of doing that, to see what it would really look like to take real positions at the open. Obviously a bracket order, you know, stop loss, all that good stuff. But we'll see how many wins versus losses we may have. Yeah, this market is straight up. Crown, yo was 50 push-ups, by the way, Crown. One thing I forgot, my daughters already had them do 100 squats this morning for not making their bed the other day. By the way, they might pop in throughout the day because they're home from school today. 20 pull-ups, there you go, brother. Even better. Today's your arms and back day. Today will be my push-up day. See if we see anything interesting on the 1 minute. This thing's been bouncing. It's been bouncing hard off of the off of the 8 EMA on the 1 minute. That's when you know you really got some bullish power. And I don't think there's any news today. I don't think there's any news today at all. Let's see, Friday today, core retail sales, Canada. I mean, that was really nothing. It's a nothing burger for me. Yeah. Tentative. Consumer sentiment at 10 a.m., that's right now. Came in at 70.5, a little bit better than what was expected, which would be good for the dollar, not so good for the market. Let's see if we get that reversal now down forever. Nope, we just went a little bit higher. Looks like it wants to take out 680 next. Looks like it wants to take out 680. 680 is in its crosshairs. At 10 a.m. news seem to only add fuel to the fire here. Massively overbought on the 3 minute. CVD still moving in the same direction as this pump. This is looking like a trend day, guys. Looking like a trend day. Which means we should pack it up. I don't tend to trade very well on trend days. I'm a bit of a contrarian. I'll be the first to admit. This market is just moving up, moving up, moving up, moving up. There we go, 680. 680 has been breached. Wishing everybody out there good luck today. It seems like any bearish signals have been bear traps. So today, as of right now, I would go on a limb to say that any bullish signals should not be ignored. Be very careful with your shorts. Make sure they're confirmed very well, because we're already up 1.5 on the day on the Nasdaq. We have left the VWAP behind by a factor of 200 points, which is crazy. Unbelievable. What a pump, guys. What a pump. So far on the day, I am down 1 micro, which is it's not really a big deal. We're down $20, I believe. But we are waiting for our setup, a setup, $19. We're waiting for a setup right now to take our FTT trades and to take some bigger position trades. We've already sent out our sacrificial order in the morning, and that didn't work out so well because the market just wants to continue up and up and up and up. So let's just be patient here. Moving back out to our higher time frames, going back to the 4 hour, it looks like right now we have decimated that 680 level. Taking it out with volume, not with a divergence. It looks like it's been volume. Let's look at the overall structure of the market now. I'm going out to the daily. You know, I'm not even going to mess with this channel anymore because I don't even think it's necessary. But what we do have is we have a very, we have two targets here. We have our all-time high at 985, and then we have the top of this channel. So we might be trying to run for all-time highs today on the Nasdaq. Do you guys think we could hit all-time highs today? I think that might be in the cards. I personally think it's possible. Get this thing out of the way since I'm not really using it. Pretty crazy, guys. Pretty crazy. It's been a pretty crazy move so far this morning. We're getting a little bit of a retracement now. We'll see, we'll see. With no news. Yeah, sometimes all the news you need is no news. Believe me, if the market had a reason to do something, it'd be a lot easier to trade. The market doesn't need a reason. It likes to have a reason for volatility, but not necessarily for a direction. Let's see. I'm getting some imbalances filled in here at the moment, but we are still too soon to make any decisions on the direction here. Some guys in my Discord here are making some pretty good gains. It took that long off the open. Congratulations to them. Pretty nasty move. All right. Don't know if this will be the top, but certainly a good place to take a breath. This move right here is looking rather suspect. It's days like these that really kind of make you weary about the moves that normally work out, just because when you have a trend day, things that normally would work don't necessarily work, just because the market is being irrational. Okay, let's keep that in mind. So for any shorts, I really want to have confirmation. This morning, I took a little bit of an impulsive short, and that came back to bite us in the butt. Sometimes the market doesn't make any sense, but it just keeps going, keeps going, keeps going. I want to see something here. That huge dump we had the other day, we've pretty much already corrected that whole move. And keep in mind, we had so many trap shorts in here. We've already corrected this whole move and then some. This is what this move needed. This is what this channel needed. This fake out wick here underneath the channel to, I think, get enough strength to make it all the way up. Given the fact that we've already moved up 1.5% today already, and it's not even just 10 o'clock right now, we still have plenty of time today to make it up higher. You know, at least maybe another, what, another 0.5%, maybe 1% more. That would put us another 300 points, maybe, from here. Would put us right up against the all-time high. That would give us about 2.5% on the day. Not unheard of. Not unheard of at all. Crazy. Let's see. This market is in desperate need of refueling. If it tends to go, if it wants to keep going up, we want to come back down and stop out some late longs. Nobody gets a free ride forever. It's the way I see it, but this market refuses to drop. Refuses to come down and even tap the 8 on the 3-minute. Fridays tend to be quiet trading days, guys. Fridays tend to do a lot of choppiness. So it's right on. It's perfect for the market to do this. To just rip, because no one's expecting it. This market is ripping for real, guys. Ripping for real. So I gotta be really patient here with our entries, unless we want to keep doing push-ups all day. Maybe we'll put a push-up counter on our screen too. Keep track of that as well. 3, 3, 3, down, 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 down. Not looking so hot here for the Bears. Man, did Bears get spanked today. All right, once we started getting some volume this morning around 7 a.m., looking at our thesis here with what we've talked about here with our absorption indicators, we tend to see a 1, 2, 3 is what I like to call it. Heads up, first candle, that's number 1, tells you, hey, pay attention. Second candle tells you the intent of the move, which is up. Third candle, a lot of times could be your entry with the stop loss underneath the wick of the last candle. That would have worked for you here, obviously. Again, here at 8:24, we had another heads up. Next candle, green, shows you the intent. 1, 2, enter on the third candle. Stop loss under that wick. Crazy move. So our 1, 2, 3 has really, thesis really works out the majority of the times. Our daily open right now, our daily open range or opening range balance here, it looks like it is at 693 on the high side and 543 on the low side. So that gives us a very big range for us to be able to work with if we do end up bouncing in here, making this, maybe we make some kind of consolidation pattern in here. Who knows? Right now everything's on the table. We are tapping the 8-period moving average right now, and it's looking to get bought up. It looks like buyers are stepping in here and buying up that 8. There could be some real still interest here at this level of 645. It's crazy. This is literally like going to the grocery store and seeing your favorite steak being 3 times the price, and you're just gobbling it up as much as you can. That's what this is. That's what this reminds me of. That's what this reminds me of. And then, I mean, this should be an opportunity for sellers to say, "Oh, you want it at 3 times the price? Take it, take it, take it, take it." And then as sellers offer it more and more and more, then that drives price down. But right now, it seems like buyers are still looking for that juicy steak at the moment. Wow. Let's see if we can look into this move a little bit more. Okay. Looking into this move a bit more, it's looking a little bit weak for the buyers. Looks like they're losing a little strength, but we could be getting a pop here. This could have been a little bit of a stop loss hunt, getting the bounce here off of this level where the interest was popping up. Could make for a little quick long in here. Could be possible. If you do take a quick long in here, make sure it's tight. Taking a long at the top of the move is not always the smartest thing to do, but in a trend day, it's the only thing to do. This could be a little pop here at the top of the range again. 61. Good morning, Victor. What's going on, brother? So far, we've just been watching this climb to the top. I'm not certain yet if it has found its peak or if we're still building more of a base or a bull flag here in order to go up a little more. I took one micro trade this morning and down 19 bucks, but that was just wishful thinking. I saw something that appeared to be looking like setting up for a short, but I was in that trade for less than 30 seconds, I think. And I think Crown here took a stab at a short too, and him and I right now are down one trade. We're also doing 50 push-ups, and he's doing 20 pull-ups for every bad trade that we take today, or trade that goes against us or breaks even. Keeping us in control, make sure we don't lose our head with unnecessary trading. 1 minute is looking like it wants to curl. 1 minute here is looking like it wants to just shoot back up. Very tempted here to try a long, but we'll give it a minute. Yes, sir, that is the spirit. Very difficult here to make heads or tails of this move here because we have a possible bull flag building, but we also have so much so much of a pump already on our hands. You know, is it really going to pump more right now at this moment? It could pump more today, obviously, but does it need a little bit more of a breather first is the question. Now it looks like it's still looking for liquidity. It's still looking for buyers. Will buyers step in? Sellers are lowering their price. See if buyers will bite. Where there once was buyer demand, it looks like it could be drying up. Maybe the buyers have had their fill. Looks like we've lost this area of demand, or at least we tapped underneath it. We've tapped underneath it. Currently now we are under our moving averages on the 1 minute. First attempt for buyers at 2640, second attempt at 600. So you have your eye on those, huh? 640 is where we're at now. Let's see what happens at 640. See what happens here. Could be getting the curl now. Is 640 the magical number where buyers will kick in? Was 640 the magical number? Looks like you could have got a nice scalp trade off of that. This could be where we run into a little bit of resistance here. I think there might be some sellers hanging out at 670. Or quite possibly maybe at 680 once more. Oh. 670 to 720, my chart is market as possible balance area. When you say a balance area, you mean that's an area that has volume? Is that what you mean? On a daily? Give me 1 second, guys. All right, guys, I'm trying to short here. Hopefully that works. If not, I owe you guys another 50 push-ups. 50 push-ups, and I wouldn't want that. Man, another 50 push-ups. Might have to try it here too. We're gonna try it also on FTT. Keep our fingers crossed, because if we lose on both, where's our trade? There's no brackets here. Holy moly. I may have to close this thing soon. We don't have a bracket. I didn't put it up with the bracket. So far, the trade's going in our favor. Oh my God, my heart is pounding right now. I put it up with no bracket. Yikes. Holy moly. I'm not gonna lie, guys, my heart is pounding a little bit. Heart's pounding. Heart's pounding. Heart's pounding. I ain't even lying. I'm not feeling warm and fuzzy, but I need a little quick drop here. If I see any signs of green, guys, I'm getting out. Being honest here, if I see any signs of green, I'm getting out. All right. Come on, man, with this damn pinwheel. Flatten that damn order. Oh, you gotta be kidding me right now. Flatten that damn order. I hit flatten. Oh my God, this thing. Did we flatten or what the hell happened? Oh my God, what the hell is going on here? Oh my God, this thing is driving me crazy right now. You gotta be kidding me right now. There's no way. I hit flatten order, man. Holy moly. Guys, this is driving me crazy. This is not good. I have to force quit my damn motive wave right now. That is a scary stuff right now, guys. No way. It went in with no bracket order. Holy moly. It went in with no bracket order. It didn't confirm. It did not confirm for me. I'm gonna log in real quick to motive wave, guys. Oof, man, my heart's pounding right now, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't even move this to break even here. Let's see what is going on here. We're still in that damn trade. This is crazy. This is crazy, guys. This is crazy. Can you just please log in? What the hell? Dude, this is not good. Are you guys watching this? Are you guys watching this? What the hell is going on here? My P&L is not moving, so that's good. I hope I'm out of that damn trade. It's not my internet, and I don't have motive wave on my phone because it's stupid. I don't understand why I can't log into it. I can't, man. What the hell is going on right now? I'm out on the trade on Webull. Please let that be the case here. Yo, what? This is craziness, guys. try to quit motive wave again. At least it's being documented on YouTube. Took that L though on the other one where I would have probably have made some profit. Oh, man, this is really screwing me up right now. This is screwing me up big time, big time, big time. Oh man. Let me try going in from my phone. My Lord. This thing is crazy. Completely crazy. Yeah, this is not looking good. Not looking good here, guys. Sorry about all this BS back and forth. This is completely frozen on me. Have to force quit that again. Be right with you guys. It's still open. Wow. Can I flatten all now? Did you flatten? Looks like it's flat. Can't be sure yet though. Oh. My Lord. Dude, guys, I'm so relieved. Holy moly, guys. Yeah, we're out in slight profits there. That is freaking crazy. I have no idea what is going on right now with motive wave or rhythmic. Not sure which one is the problem here. But it looks like we're out in all positions. Just want to double check that. Just want to make sure we're out on all positions. Nothing is funny business here. All right, I'm going to have to regroup myself in just a minute. Let me try logging into rhythmic. Sorry guys, really apologize about that. I want to be sure that we are out. U V N J V. Okay, looks like we're currently out of it. Sorry guys, I'm freaking out a little bit right here, right now. Guys, that was still oh no, I'm gonna have to do this on every single one. Guys, my hands are shaking right now. I'm canceling every one by one on my phone. And they're all in profits by a big amount. By a large amount. This could have been a good mistake, but it could also ended up horribly wrong. Horribly wrong. This could have ended ridiculously bad. Some of them are up over $500, some are over $300. I'm closing out every one individually. Thank God that I didn't just close one and thought that I closed them all. I have no idea what is going on right now. I'm just so happy that this did not go in the other direction. Because if it would have, I would be the mad rapper right now and I would be on tilt for sure. I probably would still owe the push-ups. But every one of the trades that I've closed out was massively in profits. I hope that was correct. I do. I seriously do. I hope there was no issues here. Looks like they're all closed. I'm just double checking every one, guys. I closed out all of them. Except for one. That was only $25. Oh, I almost missed one. Another one here. Okay. Oh my God, guys. I don't know. I don't know if anybody saw that or knows what I'm talking about. But I have just closed out 20 accounts manually. And MotiveWave still is not working. Okay. Let's look at our... Okay, so positions 0, perfect. I have no positions anywhere. No positions anywhere, just double checking. All right. Okay. I don't know, guys. I don't know if you guys were a part of that, if you saw what the hell just happened. But my MotiveWave decided to just give out on me. We did, it looks like we did make profits on all of the 20 accounts that I just closed out one by one. What the hell is going on? This was crazy. That was crazy. That was something that I was not expecting. Still in a position for a nice short there. I do owe you 50 push-ups, guys, for the loss on Webull. But more importantly here, we want to find out what's going on with MotiveWave. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Thank you for telling me to log into my phone. Thank you so much. That was stressful to watch. I'm glad you were here to witness it, bro. But luckily for me, most of those that I closed out manually here on my phone were up anywhere between $75 to $530, some of them. So it looks like green across the board. If I can ever get this thing to close and then open back up, I don't know if this is my computer giving me the issue. I don't know if it's a MotiveWave issue, because I am running OBS at the same time. That's good, brother. Congratulations on that short. Yeah, that short was definitely about time, right? We would have done well on that one too. I think if we would have hit our profit target, we could have done. I'm sorry, if we would have hit our 20-point target, I think we could have hit. I think we could have hit. I think we did hit. We would have done also pretty much our daily profit target. Now it looks like I'm going to be screwed on one account because it's at 5:30. I may have to create a new batch to trade because they're all over the board now. Some have $75 in profit for the day, some have $530 for the day. So I'm kind of screwed. My watch list, chart, DOM. The app's pretty cool though. What the hell? No, the app's not working either. This is very annoying here, guys. Very annoying, and we're getting that dumped down. So congratulations to you guys if you are not paper handing it. Oh man. Disconnecting service. Are you really disconnecting service? Because it doesn't look like it. I may have to uninstall this damn application. I'm gonna uninstall it. Quit MotiveWave. I'm going to uninstall this. Stupid thing. Yeah, Crown, each one, I was hoping to be able to hit similar targets every day on each one so I can request them all at the same time. But I may have to trade some individually, which is going to be a little bit of a pain. Let's see if we can, terminal quick actions. Move to trash. Yeah, that's another way to think about it, Crown, where you trade each account one by one. The only issue I have with that is that to me at least, it's a little riskier to trade one by one, because if I have a good trading streak and I'm only trading one, then I'm kicking myself. And I want to have days that are meaningful. So trading one by one is a little tedious. So what I'd rather do is have different prop firms that I can trade every day. Like today, let's say I'll trade FTT in the morning, and then in the afternoon I'll trade Top Step, and then trade different firms as if they were different accounts, so I don't overwork them. So for instance, like if I have 3 prop firms that I trade right now, let's just give you an example. I trade my 20 with FTT in the morning. If I take 2 L's, then I'm done for the day. Then I'll trade Top Step. If I take 2 L's, I'm done for the day with that. And then in the afternoon, maybe I trade like, I don't know, MFF or something. And if I have 2 losses, then I'm done for the day. That way it spreads my risk out over different prop firms instead of different accounts, which is kind of the same thing, but the payout is much better, if that makes sense. This would have made for a nice short, man. I wish I was still having computer glitches. I'd be up too much. I'd break my consistency rule, but I'm just glad I'm out of it. Thank God. All right, so we're gonna reinstall Motive Wave. That was freaking painful. Threw me off completely. That was bananas. That was straight bananas, guys. Wow, we're getting that dump now. Congrats to anybody still holding that short. All right, I'm going to, let me see what I'm gonna do. Oh yeah, you can see them on the screen, I think. Unrealized P&L. I don't know if that's really my unrealized P&L. I think it's different. Yeah, it's different because it hasn't updated yet. And we're getting that drop now. Let me see, I'm gonna change to solo. You're gonna have to see my ugly mug for a minute, guys, just because I have to do some, you know what I could do here? Main screen. Getting that dump. Getting that dump, guys. Getting that dump. Congratulations. That was painful. Talk about painful, guys. I don't know if that was a problem on Rhythmic, if that was a problem on Motive Wave, if that was a problem because of my computer. I want to say that was a Rhythmic issue, and if it was, then I definitely know I don't want to use Rhythmic anymore in the future. At least we got that on video, man. That was nuts. Because if anyone tries to fight me on that in case we went the other way. Yeah, okay. All right, so our balances are updated now, as you can see, guys. we got green across the board. Can you guys see that now? We got green across the board, or blue, I should say. It should update soon. I don't know if that's updated yet. Yeah, it's not updated yet. It's still not loading any information though. Our P&L is updated. If you guys can see that, our P&L is updated. I don't think you guys can see that, can you? Oh, you guys are lagged. You guys are hella lagged. Yeah, we may bank on some of these. We may have to trade a few more though. Oh wow, I'm gonna have to make a whole new folder. What is going on? I gotta hit the Discord and see what is going on. This might be a rhythmic issue. This is bad. Oh, you guys are so behind. This chat is so lagged. Guys, how much lag do we have here? Seems to me like we have hella lag. Because I'm seeing things on my screen right now that happened like 2 minutes ago. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. I gotta jump on Discord and see what's going on. Oh my god, we are so lagged here. Yeah, I did this like a while back. Alright, we're not supposed to have any lag here, but it is lag like no one's business. I think it might be my internet, stream health, but my health says it's steady. Health is healthy, stream is healthy. Excellent. What is going on though? Can't even use my internet right now. Just wonder what's going on. I may have to end the stream, guys, and start a new one. Yeah, looks like even Discord is having issues. Let me jump on Discord real quick, guys. See if let's see what's going on here. Seems like other people. What happened if you forgot to close your positions past 110 PST? Had a power outage. What the hell is going on here? Can we go down to jump to present? Okay. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to get an answer here on what's going on with Motive Wave. All right, let's see what if I get an answer here on what's going on with Motive Wave. I've literally disconnected it, reconnected it. Don't know what is going on. 10:53. Yeah, it's 10:53. Wow, that's a 3-minute lag. I don't know when you sent this, but guys, I'm gonna close out this stream and start a new one. Let me see if I can